Hey YouTube, it's LaSherie and I am back with another hair tutorial. Today is wash day for me and I didn't really want to record because I look a hot mess. But what are you gonna do? I am starting to pre-moisturize my hair. So I've already used some product, which is Carol's Daughter Almond Milk. And I just use that and leave it on for a while before I wash it. I used it only because I had previously used hair gel and unfortunately it dried my hair out and I didn't like the feel of it. It was just like hard and almost coarse feeling. I didn't like that. So I decided to go ahead and try to see if moisturizing will work before the wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. I combed it out, so detangled basically. I started the detangling process because I do it beforehand just because it makes it easier to comb out after I shampoo. So I'm gonna go ahead, shampoo. I'm using Chi shampoo. I've been using this same kind for a while. It's the Royal Treatment shampoo. And I also use Chi conditioner. It doesn't matter what kind. I just use whatever it is that I could find, honestly. But it works for me. It's something that I've been using for a while. I switch up the different kinds of Chi products, but I do kind of stick to the same brand just because I love the smell of it and it's lightweight and that works for me. So right now, this is what I'm looking like. This is how my hair is looking before I go ahead and wash it. Basically very similar to what it'll look like once it dries as well, or after I wash my hair. It'll look like this. And then when I come back, I will have already washed and show you guys the blow dry process. Hey guys, I'm back. I threw a white t-shirt over my other shirt just because it shows the difference in the hair and the shrinkage. So this side I've already blow dried. The only thing I used was like a dime size amount of this Care leave-in conditioner. I won't be using anything else. This side is still wet. And if I back up some, I just want you to see the difference. And when people talk about shrinkage, this is what they're talking about. So this side is wet and this side is dry. And so, I mean, it's a big difference, as you can see. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just blow drying. I didn't want to record that part because I don't know who wants to see me blow dry, or maybe I should. I'll just actually do this side on camera since I turned the camera back on. So I'll probably speed it up just so you don't have to hear all of the noise that the blow dryer makes. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this side started. I usually just break it into 2 sections. Oh, I forgot to tie this side up. Okay, hold on. All right. I'm not gonna take a lot of time on that. So 2 sections. And where's my, after I wash it, I usually just finger comb through to help detangle. And this is me actually detangling before I start to blow dry. I blow dry with a comb attachment, and those of you that use the comb will know that as soon as it gets to one small kink, it like just gets stuck and there's no way to comb through it. You actually have to stop blow drying and comb through your hair again. So I'll try to get everything out before I start that process. I'm sure there's a couple kinks in there still, but Okay guys, so I was having a hard time with this area. Probably why I do this side last. It's just my dominant side, so of course it's awkward to work that way. But I was gonna show, or I thought about the fact that you could actually really see the difference with the shrinkage from this. So this is it blown out, and this is the part that's need to be blow dried. So it's a pretty big difference. I know most people know that. Well, most natural people know about the shrinkage. Like, it's nowhere near as bad if you have a relaxer, but if you don't have a relaxer, this is what you get. All right, so I'll just do this last section, and I doubt if I will be styling it today. Like, I'm stuck in the house, so there's no need to put extra heat on my hair to go nowhere. Not saying that I won't get bored and bust out with a freaking InStyler video or something, because it definitely might happen. I know a lot of people don't use the InStyler, or it's not in style anymore, pun intended, but it works for me. Like, it's like a magic wand for me. It turns me from looking like this to like just fluffy and straight, like the good straight, not stringy straight. All right. Can y'all see that? Look what just popped out. Oh, you can't see it. It's one long silver hair. So that is my wash and blow dry regimen. I look like Cousin It right now, and it's probably just going to be big and fluffy for the next couple of days, because there's no need for me to. I have my part in the same place all the time, so my hair like literally falls that way. Okay, so I'm not straightening it out today. Just wanted to give you guys a look at what I do. Again, you saw how it was. It's like not even all the way straight, but I mean, it's just so many things wrong right now because my eyebrows are bushy as hell. My hair is bushy. I mean, I'm stuck in the house. What do you expect? It's literally the only thing that I actually pay for as far as self-care is my eyebrows, because I do my own nail. I mean, maybe I shouldn't say self-care. What would I call that? Pampering, maybe? Yeah. I don't really go to the salon often. I go when I need a trim. It's just because I can wash my own hair at home. I don't really have to pay somebody to do that, I don't think. And if I do, it doesn't have to happen often. But this is what you get. This is me. All right, if you have any other ideas, leave them in the comment section. like, comment, subscribe, and I always forget to say ring the bell because I'm not used to it. So if you want updates or want to know when I upload new content or new videos, if you hit the notification bell, it will automatically send you an update. I have notifications on the people that I watch, and I don't have it going to my email. It's just that when I go to YouTube, it'll let me know that there is a new video uploaded, and I find that to be helpful. So again, there you have it, guys, from beginning to end as far as my wash and blow dry process. See you soon.